at here. We've been here up until what time is it? Yeah, it's 2. It's 5 minutes to 2. So I just feel like it. And I don't know how you feel, but you know, we left the hotel. Everybody had a shower today, and it's not the ideal. It's the thing real. I just want to get funky for you. We like that. If you like getting funky, Mr. Brewer, let's get funky for a little while. And Ted. She said, Hound dog, I don't like for you to do it like that.